na nga siya uli. Bibi!
It's a shame. You can't even do a very easy song. Nakakaloka. Diba? And I don't think I can deal with this. Kaya ang kakatayin ko ngayong gabi ay C.
Masyadong makabayan.
Bakit?
Galit sa mga imported. Nauna si Rihanna, tapos ngayon si Nicole.
Iniiwan nga mga lokalya. At alam mo, nagkabalikan? 90,000 pesos. Can you imagine?
Diba? At ito na nga ang round 3 na.
All-Star 3! Nawagin yung Preso Video Game Challenge!
Ang sarap sa Manila East. Wow!
Presko. Para na may mga waves.
Ito na ang category.
Chupak select! Kumakagaling lang muna ko sa'yo.
Patok na patok.
Isa lang mga ibig sabihin yan. Top.
Correct.
Lalo.
Maring Flor. Habang buhay naka-isolate. Select.
Hindi nga natin siya kilala eh.
Diba? Ano ba siya nakikita in person?
Baka sa plano siya in person. Ayan
Si
na.
Peter, a.k.a. Pia Guanio.
Magaling kaya siya umanswer ng mga katanungan.
Hi.
Easy or difficult?
I want a difficult question.
Okay. What can you say about Balikatan 2009?
Well, could I choose an easy question instead?
Oh, no problem. What is the size of your waistline?
26.
Thank you very
Very
much.
good.
I-adjust tayo ng mga kandidata natin.
Difficult as easy. Ito na, hit song ni Madonna na ni-record during her second pregnancy.
Wow.
Ganon.
Pia, kay ka na!
Hey na!
Hey, na kayo lahat!
Hey na,
Pati yan, ang
Ikaw
kanta
yan,
na kanta.
Madonna.
Second
Ay,
pregnancy
gusto ko
nila ko,
yan.
nakanta. Hey, this is DJ, put the record on, I wanna dance with my baby. And when the music starts, I never wanna stop, it's gonna drive me crazy.
Pia!
Woo!
Music! Music!
Here we go!
Music makes the people come together.
Hey!
Music makes the boys start singing and the forever.
Oh, ito na sa'yo.
Go, Lobby, sa'yo pa rin yan.
Just think of yesterday and I'm gonna get the clock. I like to boogie woogie.
Wow! Marco!
Not to bring the wind and the never goes away. But of everything I put in, come together. Yeah.
Regine!
Music makes the boys smile, singing forever.
Tuloy mo yan, tuloy mo lang.
Here we go!
To DJ, put a record on. I wanna dance with my baby. And when the music starts, I never wanna stop. It's gonna drive me crazy.
Aba, bakit maganda ang nangyari ah?
Maganda talaga dahil nga perfect! So ang 90 nila plus 50,
140,000 pesos! At ang maganda dyan, ladies, walang makakatay. Kaya tumayo lang kayo dyan at magpaganda.
kompleto pa rin ang Magic Band na papasok sa round 4 na All-Star Game! Nawapin ang sa Video Game Challenge! Round 4 na nga tayo, ladies.
Ay, naku, sana perfect ulit. Maganda ito.
Depende sa category.
Jukebox select. Let's check it out.
Soundtrack. May mga
Sa'yo eh,
isip na
madali
kayo
lang eh.
at may sariling bait. Ano niya ang ibig sabihin yan? Award Maring Flor.
Mabait
May alam
naman
siya
siya.
dyan. Maring Flor! Select.
Di ba talaga sinagot ko? Mabait siya.
Oo, ako naman si Maring Flor. Pwede sa amin lang lumalabas.
Actor!
Si Wilma Dazen.
Hi.
Si katawan lang niya si Wilma.
Diba? Wilma, do you want a difficult or an easy question?
A difficult question.
Of course,
Okay.
what else? You?
The two questions remain unanswered. So why don't we put them together. What can you say about global warming, which seems to be one of the biggest problems of the world today? Aside, of course, from the global economic crisis that we are experiencing right now. Go.
Okay. Before I answer your question, let me remind you that an opinion will never be heard until there's someone who's willing to stand up and fight for it. So this is my chance to stand up and fight for what I truly believe in. Going back to the question, global warming and global economic crisis.
Yes.
You see, when I was just a little girl, my father always taught me never to talk to strangers. And since I don't really know you that well, I will not answer your question. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much!
Keep up lang. Ano
Nakakainis ang haba ng sinabi.
Hindi rin naman pala tayo sasagutin.
Anyway, Wilma, here's your song.
Ang nakakaloka kayo. Kanta ni Lisa Love na ginamit sa pelikulang Reality Bites.
Wilma, kay ka na!
Okay na!
Ay, na kayo lahat! Kaya,
Music!
Also, sunod the answer to the economic global. You say I only hear what I want to. Mag-dance. And you say
Dalaginding ka dyan.
I talk so all the time. So
Wilma!
And I thought what I felt was simple. And I thought that I don't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong because I miss you.
Tuloy, tuloy!
Yeah, I missed you.
Ito na si Songbird Regine!
You say I only hear what I want to. I don't listen hard. Don't pay attention to the visit that you're writing to anyone, anywhere. I don't understand if you really care. I'm only hearing negative. No, no, no. And so I turn the radio on, turn the radio on, and there's more than one singing my song. Well, this is not the thing that I'm showing, but I'm sure. Truly, tell me clever, but don't take it anyhow or anywhere.
Anong second one? With you!
Well, ladies,
Oh,
ito ang magandang nangyari niya. 170,000 pesos.
ang laki ha!
Malaking pera
Pero
yan.
siguro naman hindi na tayo aabot sa tayo sa Manila East, the scenic Manila East. Kung hindi na sila mag-uwi naman ng malaking tatong,
Paklikpak
di
na sa laki.
ba?
Ako.
Masisilayan natin si Baby Gandang Hari.
Correct.
Halika na!
Miss Bibi, diyan ka lang maghintay dahil aabangan pa natin mga kapuso at